Hello everyone. In this tutorial we are going to explore a very dynamic function of index match in Excel. It is combinedly used for lookup operations. This is its general syntax, which includes index return range, lookup value to be matched, lookup range, and 0 shows exact match. However, you can get dynamic results with slight variations in it. Index match has multiple benefits over VLOOKUP. For example, it can perform lookups both vertically and horizontally. It can reference columns dynamically. As data range expands, it can adjust automatically. It do not require sorted data. If a match is not found, you can customize how the function handles errors. It can easily handle multiple criteria. It can handle non-contiguous data ranges. Let's move to first method, which is basic lookup using index match function. It is used to find a value in a specific column based on a match in another column. The index function is used to return the value from the range D5 to D15, from which the value will be retrieved. The match function is used to find the position row number of the first occurrence of the value. John is the lookup value. B5, B15 is the range in which Excel searches for the lookup value, while 0 indicates an exact match. So it looks for the exact occurrence of John in column B. Please note that row of commas, inverted commas and brackets is very important. So be careful while placing it to avoid error. Method 2 is basic lookup using reference. This formula is same as previous. Only difference is that, for lookup value, use cell reference instead of value. Hit enter and get required result. Just change criteria from drop-down list and result is shown automatically. Method 3 is about two-dimensional lookup using value. A 5, D15 is return range from which value to be retrieved. Apply first match function for vertical lookup. John is the lookup value whose sales data has to be abstracted. B5, B15 is the lookup range to which lookup value has to be matched. Write 0 for exact match of the value. Apply second match function for horizontal lookup. In this case, select sales. A 5, D5 is the lookup range to which lookup value has to be matched. Hit enter and get required result. Method 4 is two-dimensional lookup using reference. To ease up, We copy the formula from cell D3 and paste in I3. This formula is same as previous. Only difference is that for lookup value, use cell reference instead of value. Hit enter. And get required result. Look! If criteria is changed, the relevant result is also filtered automatically. Let's move to method 5. Lookup using multiple criteria based on value. D5, D15 is return range from which value to be retrieved. Apply match function for vertical lookup. Select name column and apply criteria 1 value. Select team column and apply criteria 2 value. Hit enter. And get required result. In method 6, apply multiple criteria using reference. Repeat same formula as previous. Only difference is that for lookup value, use cell reference instead of value text or numbers. We are also using 3 criteria here like ID, name and team. Hit enter. And get result instantly. Method 7 is about two-dimensional lookup dynamically. Here, index match function will work in whole table. First match function is for vertical lookup, while second match function is for horizontal lookup. Now, lock the cells carefully. Lock all arrays both sides, while for lookup values, only lock column for A3 and row for B2. This will help us when we drag the formula. Hit enter. And get required result. Now drag the formula to right side and then downwards. Method 8 is dynamically extract data for columns. This is another amazing form of index match function. A5, E17 is return range from which value to be retrieved. Apply match function for vertical lookup. Two, 3, 4, 5 represents columns from B to E. Hit enter. Look! Formula automatically copied in all cells on right side also. Just change criteria from drop-down list and result is shown automatically. Method 9. Using index match with colors. This is an awesome way of using index match. Apply conditional formatting on index table. Then repeat formula of index match as used in last one. Just change criteria from drop-down list and result is shown automatically. Look! Extracted data is also highlighted below. Method 10 is using index match with wildcards. This formula is used for partial matches. It finds a value in column D where the entry in column B starts with Joe. If we change the criteria, the relevant result is filtered. Lastly, method 11 shows approximate match. Use the match function with the last argument set to 1 for an approximate match. It finds the corresponding value in column B where the closest match to a value is found in column D. We hope that these 11 methods can be very helpful in your project's analysis. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Please like and subscribe.